Hi everyone! Renate here from Crafty Renate. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another haul video for you, which is not something I usually do that often, and now I have two in a row, but I placed an order on the Lush website, and so I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video because I just love Lush products. I always have. I'm an OG Lush fan. I have known them for at least 17 years, I think. So I was a big fan before most people even knew they existed. I thought I would just pamper myself and get some products. My hands are literally itching to open this box, so let's get to it. Oh my god, this box smells incredible. Oh, it was in my living room yesterday and during the night, and oh my goodness, my entire living room smelled like a Lush store. Not as, strong, but as a Lush store. So delicious. I do hope everything is still in one piece, but we'll see. Either way, they will be great in the bathtub because is everything I got for in the bathtub? I think everything is for in the bathtub, and then one thing is to wear. Yes, to wear. And then another thing is to shower with, I believe. Ooh, look at that pretty box. Wow, I love that. I'm probably gonna keep this box because it's really pretty. Ooh. What? Oh yeah, oh. Sorry. Okay, here's my invoice. We don't need that right now. I already paid for it. Lots of these little guys. So, well, I guess we're just gonna clean up later. Whee! Come on. Wow, there's so many of them. I just want to see what's in here. Why are you doing this to me? Oh. Wow. I just swallowed some perfume or something. Oh my god. Okay. So the first thing I'm seeing right here is this. Now what in the world? Well. Oh my god. It's thicker than I thought. Oh, that's amazing. Look at that. This is a wash card. I believe that's something new. I'm not sure, but I think it's something new. And this is, well, to wash yourself with. But this is actually a scent. So it's kind of a shower gel and a shampoo. You can also wash your hair with it. I'm personally not going to do that. I think I need a couple more of these to wash all of this. But it's in the perfume section on the website. So you can choose a whole bunch of scents, and this one is Karma. It's kind of like a hippie scent, but I really like it. It smells like something I know, but I can't really put my finger on it. I'm really excited to try this out. This is so fun to wash yourself with. I only got one. They weren't too expensive, so if I like this, I might get more in different scents at some point whenever I place another order, but I'm really excited to try this out. It looks just, to wash yourself with a card, literally. That's kind of hilarious. Although I must say I do have these greeting cards, these birthday cards that you can also use as soap and for in the bathtub. So I think it's something similar. Yeah. Ooh, I see a little face peeking out. Oh my god. Okay, I got two of these. So my sister loves hippos. So when I saw this little fella on the website, I just couldn't not get him. Look at that. I mean, what kind of a sister would I be if I saw that and didn't get it for her? Oh, that smells really good. I thought it said that it smelled like raspberries, and I was a little unsure because she doesn't really like sweet scents, but It's definitely fruity, but it's not really sweet. It smells like other things as well. I'm a little bit surprised that they didn't put these, ooh, do you see that? A little hippo dust. I'm a little bit surprised that they didn't put them in like paper baggies, but I don't mind. They packaged it really nicely with all of these. So, I mean, it's so cute. It's even cuter than on the website. And on the website, I saw a picture of this floating in the bathtub with purple foam around it. So I think it's a bath bomb, by the way. I think it doesn't sink, but it sort of floats, swims through your bath water, which would make it even more cute and hilarious. I think she's gonna be so surprised, and it's so cute. I actually got 2 of them. I'm gonna give her the prettiest one. Oh yeah, see, this one isn't as pretty. His face is a little banged up. I think he's been in a lot of fights already. So I'm gonna keep this one, but so cute. So I got one for myself as well because I am curious too. So it's raspberry and it has popping candy in it. I love popping candy in the bathtub. If you've never done that, you should just do it. Just grab some popping candy if you have some. Throw it in your bath water when you're taking a bath. You're welcome. It's a wonderful experience. I love it. I do it all the time. So, yeah. And then I also got something. Well, I couldn't place an order and not get my absolute all-time favorite bath bomb, which is the Intergalactic. Ooh, yes. I'm very much into astronomy, not astrology, okay? Astronomy. And this bath bomb is just really like you're floating into space and you're looking at galaxies, at nebulae, at stars. It's the most gorgeous thing ever. You have all these sparkles that are floating around in your bathtub. They're so beautiful. They look like stars. And then you have all these beautiful, gorgeous colors. And then there's also popping candy in this, which adds even more of a, an extra dimension to it. An extra dimension, and it's a galaxy. Yeah, that's funny. Nerd humor. And if you smell it like this, it doesn't smell that good, but in the bathtub, it smells really, really nice. I usually cut them in 4 because they are massive and I like them to last. So yes, so good. This is really my favorite bath bomb. I love it so much. I got something. A limited edition Halloween gift package. I've never actually bought myself a gift package from Lush before, and I'm really excited, not just for the products, but I'm really excited about the packaging. It is so cool. Oh my god. Let me just how am I gonna take this out? Ooh. All right. Oh, this smells so good. Oh. Can you tell what this is? If you've already seen it online, obviously you know what this is. This is probably what I'm most excited about for this package. This is a backpack. Look at that! It's so cool. I love this. It's a backpack that's also a bat. It's a backpack. And it has this beautiful print. I love this so much. Whoever came up with this, genius. I know it's pretty simple, but it's so effective. It is so amazing. I just love this so much. Okay. Let's open you up. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it comes in a box. That's nice. I could see that by the shape, but I mean, there we go. I will pose with the backpack later, but for now I'm just gonna take a look at the goodies in here. This smells like all sorts of wonderful things. Even more of these, and that box is still full of them, even though I've already thrown a lot in the air. I have some on my lap as well. But these are made, you can, these are compostable, and I believe you can also just put water on these and they will dissolve. I'm not sure. Oh, it actually says Eco Pops, made of a byproduct of corn, completely biodegradable. So I'm not sure if the dissolving in water are these types, but you can definitely, oh yeah, it feels like they will. But you can definitely just compost them. Oh, I'm gonna have so much cleaning up to do, but this is fun. I'm a child, what can I say? Okay, alrighty. Oh my god, they're so cute! Okay. Look at him. Oh, he's so cute. It's Monsters Ball. Oh, it smells amazing. You smell great. Look how cute he is. So this guy is a bath bomb. It has neroli in it, salt that makes your skin soft. And it also has olibanum oil. I've never heard of that before. And lime oil. And that's what I'm smelling, the lime oil, because I love anything that has a lemony scent, some sort of citrus scent. So that's probably what I'm smelling. But I am smelling other things too. It's really, really good. This is so cute. This is so funny. Look at his wonky eyes. Was that intentional or not? It just makes him look even cuter, if you ask me. So his name is Bewitched. And I think this is a bubble bar. Yeah, this is a bubble bar. Oh, that smells very unusual, but very good. It's really, really good. And I love bubble bars because they last so long. You just take a piece and crumble it underneath your running water and you get these gorgeous, wonderful bubbles. So you can use this over and over again. You can get a lot of baths out of something like this. So I do like that a lot. And it smells really good. And of course, this is a limited edition as well. And then we have this shower gel. It's very, very frightening, a shower gel. It kind of goes with my outfit. This color is insane, okay? Let me first smell it. But I'm already smelling so many things, I don't know if I... Can't smell it really well. It smells pretty fresh. I like that for a shower gel. That color though, that's insane. Look at that color. Look at that color. You're showering with... Oh my gosh. This really looks like mustard. Okay, that smells good. Now I'm sitting here like, okay. This is that color though. Who on earth came up with that color? I love it. Don't get me wrong. I love anything quirky and colorful, but... That's so funny. This is just gonna, put a smile on your face in the shower already. So that's a good way to start your morning. But I just would have thought they would go with, fluorescent orange or a midnight blue with some sparkle in it, or purple, or like an ivy green or something like that, or even black. Now that would be fun to have a black shower gel. You would wash yourself with something black. That would be weird, but fun. But I like it a lot. I just don't know if it has a particular reference to Halloween, this color, that I'm not getting. If so, let me know in the comments below. Either way, I like it a lot and I'm excited to try it out. And then of course we have the most amazing backpack ever. But how am I gonna show you this? Oh, I should have put my hair up. Let me just do this. Okay. Can you see it? That is just beyond funny. I mean, yeah. And it smells so good. I'm gonna be rocking this for the rest of the month. You can be very certain of that. And of course, not just around Halloween. I think this is just fun to wear anytime. But oh my god, this is just, I am in love. Really love all of these products, and I can't wait to see my sister's face when I show her the hippo, when I give her the hippo. I'm gonna have to call her because if this video goes up before this video cannot go up before she gets it. I need to make sure that doesn't happen. Oh, there's still something more in here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Sorry, there's still more. Oh, right. Oh my god, this smells. This smells like the face bar with the berry, the black, whatever. It's a bat wing! Of course! How could I forget? Oh my god. I was gonna say bye, and there's still something here. Look how cool that is. Is that a bubble bar or a bath bomb? I think by the feel of it, it might be a bubble bar. But let me just look it up. It's a bath bomb, not a bubble bar. And it has rosemary and sage. But why does it smell like berries then? If it's rosemary and sage. Huh? Okay, it has lemon oil, rosemary oil, mandarin oil, and sage oil. And still it smells like berries to me. Maybe my nose is so confused by all of the scents. Yeah, I don't know, but it smells really good. It smells really good. Oh my gosh. And it looks like it has glitter in it too. See that? Oh, a little bit of glitter is awesome because it's so beautiful in the bathtub. It just makes it such an amazing experience. It's so much more than just a bath. Yeah, I just love it. I can really get lost in the fantasy of it. Like with Intergalactic as well, I just stare at that water and it's so beautiful and it's ever changing, and it just makes me feel like I'm literally floating in between the stars. So yeah, I love that. I'm pretty sure that was it. Yeah, okay. Okay, more clean up. And more perfume in my throat. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with my next video. Bye!